It's me again, Ayen Lala. Welcome back to my channel. And guys, for today's video, I will be reviewing an interesting product na surely magagamit natin this summer. Although, medyo sad ang mga nasa news ngayon kasi alam naman natin na kumakalat na yung nCoV disease or yung COVID disease. But anyway guys, I hope you're all doing fine. Suggest kung wala naman kayong gagawin, just stay in your homes na lang and kumain kayo ng sakto, ng mga masustansyang pagkain, and also kung pwede, uminom kayo ng mga vitamins, and as much as possible, stay away from crowded places or dumistansya kayo sa mga tao kasi guys, ayaw nating tumaas pa yung mortality rate ng COVID disease. So, hopefully, you're all doing fine. So, let's start with our product review. So, yung product na ating i-review for today is from LUXE ORGANIX, and this is their Aqua Daily Screen Broad Spectrum na sikat na rin ngayon dito sa YouTube. Of course, pag recommended ni Miss Ann Klutz, automatic bumibili talaga ako guys kasi alam ko na lahat ng sinasuggest niya magaganda talaga ng mga products. So yun guys, let's start with the price of this Aqua Daily Sunscreen. This one guys retails for 349 pesos, and of course mabibili nyo siya sa mga Watsons stores. And since medyo mahirap pumunta sa mga malls or sa mga Watsons ngayon, I suggest na bilhin nyo na lang siya sa online store nila. Lagay ko lang yung links down below kung saan kayo makakabili online nitong sunscreen nila. Let's talk about the packaging. So, super cute ng packaging nila guys. Nasa yellow siya na box. Alam niyo yun, pag nakikita nyo siya sa aisle, makakatch niya yung attention nyo kasi ang ganda ng kulay guys, pang summer talaga. Nakasulat lang dito sa front packaging guys is LUXE ORGANIX SPF 50+, PA+++, VA/UVB protection, Aqua Daily Screen Broad Spectrum. Ang main ingredients daw ng product na ito guys is that it has aloe vera, centella asiatica, and calendula extracts.
Hindi ko alam guys.
Ano yung ibig sabihin o anong maitutulong ng mga ingredients na yan sa ating skin? So nag-research ako of course. Guys, nung ni-research ko, ang aloe vera daw, it contains antioxidants, enzymes, vitamin A and vitamin C, and it is highly anti-inflammatory. It can also help to treat burns, acne, and dry skin. Aloe vera could help skin to be moisturized, and kung meron man kayong mga inflammation like pimples na yung patubo pa lang, nakakatulong din siya kasi may anti-inflammatory properties siya. So next one guys is the centella asiatica naman. So ni-research ko din siya. Centella asiatica daw improves oil balance and helps the dermis layer to enhance collagen synthesis and boost skin elasticity. Basically, it helps to boost our skin elasticity. Last one is yung calendula extract, and it says here that it prevents aging in 2 different ways. It helps promote skin tightness, which reduces day-to-day damage, and it also increases daw hydration within the skin. So basically, yung calendula extract could help our skin not to be damaged easily. Nagpo-promote siya ng skin tightness, so meron siyang parang anti-aging properties. So yun guys, yun yung na-research natin about these 3 properties or main properties ng sunscreen ng LUXE ORGANIX. Likod guys ng packaging is nakasulat din, this aqua rich, lightweight, and water-resistant sunscreen provides broad spectrum protection with SPF 50 PA++ for a UVA and UVB. Its quick absorbing and non-greasy formulation makes it perfect for everyday use and even suitable for sensitive skin. Made with additional benefits of aloe vera extract to keep our skin supple and hydrated throughout the day. So how to use? Apply a generous amount on the face and body. So pwede rin siya sa body guys, but hindi ko siya nagamit for the body. Sa review na to, basically na-test ko lang talaga siya on my face, and hindi ko pa siya na-test on my body. So if ever man na ma-test ko siya on my body, kasi sayang din, di ba? Medyo konti lang ito para sa body natin. Kung gagamitin natin to sa body natin, of course madaling maubos. So I bought this talaga guys para lang sa aking face. So balik tayo sa directions on how to use. So, put the sunscreen after a moisturizer and before makeup, and reapply throughout the day for better protection from UVA and UVB rays. Of course guys, hindi ko pa siya nagagamit sa beach, so hindi ko pa siya na-try na ni-reapply on my face, pero nagamit ko na siya under makeup, and ipapakita ko din guys kung paano ko siya ina-apply on my skin. Alam nyo ba guys, yung consistency nitong product na ito is gel type siya when it comes out sa kanyang tube. super dali niyang i-blend guys. Para siyang tubig, it melts like water, and of course kung para siyang tubig, super bilis lang niyang umabsorb sa skin. So yun yung nagustuhan ko sa product na ito. When it comes to the tube naman guys, super ganda ng tube niya. It is in this matte siya na lalagyan. Yung hindi ko lang masyadong nagustuhan sa product na to guys is yung pump. Hindi masyadong mabilis lumabas yung product. Kailangan mo pa siyang i-pump ng ilang times before lumabas yung product. So yun lang yung medyo hindi ko nagustuhan when it comes to the container, or talking about the container, yun lang ang hindi ko nagustuhan. When it comes to the product mismo guys, super ganda ng product kasi nga ang bilis niyang ma-absorb sa skin. So after kong nilalagay ito sa skin ko guys, then I let it set for a few seconds, and then kung nag-set na siya, nag-proceed na ako agad sa aking daily makeup routine. Tayo sa aking thoughts about the product. Sasabihin ko yung tatlong kiniklaim nila. Lightweight. Check tayo sa lightweight guys. Of course, nasa gel type formula siya, pero pag binlend mo na siya on your skin, it melts like waters. Super bilis niyang mag-melt and na-absorb agad ng skin for a few seconds. So, non-greasy. Although guys, medyo basa-basa yung feels niya when you apply it on your skin. Hindi naman siya malagkit, pero alam mong merong parang tubig yung mukha mo. Yun lang ang feeling. But when you already apply your makeup, or when you proceed with your makeup routine, hindi mo na siya mahahalata. Actually, yun yung kaibahan niya sa mga ibang sunscreen natin dito sa Philippines na makikita natin sa drugstore. Kasi mostly, yung mga sunscreen natin dito is cream-based siya. So, medyo mabigat siya on the skin. Baka talagang nag-a-apply ng lotion on your face. Imagine niyo naman, super humid ng ating lugar, especially pag summer, pag uma-apply tayo ng cream-based na mga sunscreen, super bigat nun on our face. And patungan pa natin ng makeup at kung ano pang product, of course, super bigat na niya on our face. So, medyo nakakairita yung feeling na ganun. Guys, I'm glad na na-discover ko tong sunscreen na to. And then, when it comes to no white cast, I will flash a photo now, guys. Pakita ko sa inyo yung after makeup ko, and as you can see guys, wala talagang ka white cast. So yung three claims nila guys na lightweight, non-greasy, and no white cast is really true. So yung final thoughts ko about this product, if you will ask me on how I rate this product, I will give this 9 out of 10 kasi super ganda niya guys, especially now na summer na. Yun naman, pag summer dito sa Pinas, para ka talagang ino-oven sa sobrang init, and tayo pa naman mga Pinoy is mahilig tayong pumunta sa mga beach. Of us, mahilig pumunta sa beach. So perfect na perfect tong sunscreen na ito para sa weather natin dito sa Philippines. So yun guys, yun yung rate ko and yung final verdict ko about this product. So yun lang guys, I hope nagustuhan niyo tong review ko with this LUXE Organics na Aqua Daily Sunscreen. If you like this review guys, don't forget to thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel if you haven't done yet, so you will be updated sa aking mga future na uploads. So yun lang guys, see you on my next video. Bye!